Like this stuff is premium specific.
Do a demo, show it, attract.
And if you could ever get 10% of the whole market, it's a lot of these. Yeah. They can't compete.
You want to do this or what?
Amp them up. It's like we're going to war. It's all about speaking to the people, find their need, and be detailed in gathering your notes, and let's rock this.
So I'm going to leave you with three numbers: 29,000, 2001. There are 29,000 people coming to the show in these 3 days. There's 2,000 exhibitors, but there's only one company that they should partner with. The company that can provide that solution. That company is who? Paxiom! So let's go get it, guys.
I just wanted to come and see what all stuff you guys have that I didn't see before.
Yeah, so here, I'll show you. So this was sold for cut tortillas. You guys are doing all that by hand in Georgia.
Yeah.
And I think there's like efficiencies there that we could gain. Here we have the pop lock tray former doing fold and tuck style trays. It can run up to 20 a minute. It's very easy to load. It has the blanks go on the top of the hopper, and we pull down a blank, erect all the sides, and then do the tucks. It's toolless in design so that you could easily go from one tray size to another in minutes. It's on casters, very compact, very robust design to work 24/7.
Linear concept you get to see right now is like all stainless, goes the airs. It's not servo, but it's actually just more sanitizable than the other one. So especially if you're getting stuff into the chains of the heart of the plane. So in here I got no chains, no exposed bearings, nothing like that. Very, very convenient, easy. Dust, so I have all my mechanical parts. So you just want to say, oh, that guy Mark has that robot, and we can help you, you know.
Thanks again.
Robert, thank you. Appreciate it.
This is our Swifty 3600 pre-made pouch bagger. We have multiple units as part of a family for this system. Each one of them has different range of speed, different range of size of pouches that can be run on it. The system starts here with the pre-made pouch magazine. The pouches will be fed, picked up. They can be inkjet printed in this position. The next station we go to is zipper opener, where we will mechanically open the zipper. The next station we go to the fiber optic plunging funnel, where we will detect that the bag is open, and we'll also blow the bottom gusset open. The next stage is the filling station, where the product will be dispensed into the pouch. We go to the next station, which is the pouch straightener. It pulls the top tight before we go into the sealer, and then our final position is going to be the bag closing position. And after that, it will exit off of the exit conveyor and then can go to case packing or an accumulation table or whatever the customer would prefer. It's capable of going up to 45 pouches per minute. From a mechanical standpoint, generally a good speed is 30 to 40 a minute.
So all what we want to make sure is that we have still like 25% of head space when I drop, and that when I do the opening, like it's big enough so the product can fall in without clogging. And that's my crucial point that a lot of people don't think about when doing the testing. So I can do that testing in our shop, see what it is, and then at the end of the day, I think our common goal, you want it to work and I want it to work.
Yeah, we both want it to work.
This is our Spindexer system for container filling. There are similar systems that are available for container filling. We can do anything from straight line container filling, traveling funnels, single station, high speed. There's multiple options that are available. And this system will go anywhere between 40 to 60 a minute, depending on the fill.
That's, all this is good. Like, we love what you guys have up. Yeah, it's all good stuff. Now, it's like I have two people dedicated to manually taking boxes, taping it, another girl that's dropping in.
That's not an issue.
Yeah, it's not AC Erector. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, man, that's like a short lead time, I believe, because we have it stopped. So like if you said tomorrow, let's pull the trigger. Well, that's a TXL.
Stripe the check right now. Let's go.
This is our Boxer T18. We make 3 models that are similar to this. There's a T12, T18 like this one, and the TXL. T18 will do up to 18 boxes per minute. It takes standard RSCs, does a wide range of case sizes. The blanks are loaded on a motorized magazine. It pulls the blank, erects the box, and seals the bottom with tape. It comes standard with leveling pads and casters and the beacon, as well as a auto idler to start and stop the machine when you're going onto an exit conveyor.